The CEITEC Research Centre incorporates 9 shared laboratories, 2 of which are run by the CEITEC VUT Institute. The shared laboratories, so-called core facilities, include special instruments, which are used by scientists from various scientific fields. 1,337 square meters of clean rooms, class 100 to 100,000. More than 50 fabrication, processing and analytical instruments located inside the clean laboratories. Additional instruments, such as the unique microtomography station, holographic microscope, fluorescence and confocal microscopes, and accessories, are located in separate labs. In the clean rooms of the core facility nanofabrication and nanocharacterization, the instruments are divided into defined technological units: nanolithography infrastructure, etching and deposition, packaging and testing, electrical and magnetic measurements, probe microscopy, and nanomanipulation, optical measurements, chemical and thermal processes, in situ fabrication and characterization. The Core Facility Structural Analysis Laboratory is equipped with top-class instruments for high-resolution transmission and scanning electron microscopy, and for X-ray diffraction analysis. The CEITEC core facilities are intended for manufacturing and analyzing nanostructures, especially for the field of nanoelectronics and nanophotonics, and also for the analysis of structure of advanced materials, such as ceramics and composites. The combined electron microscope combines the technique of scanning electron microscopy with focused ion beam column. Here we can see the deposition apparatus for the application of thin layers. These thin layers are the basis for manufacturing nanostructures. We study not only the magnetic properties of nanostructures, but also their optical properties. This is an optical scanning near-field optical microscope, which is able to detect a short-range electromagnetic field above the surface of the sample. The ALD allows us to manufacture thin oxide layers by applying individual monolayers onto the samples of a size of up to 8 inches. The wire bonder is used to make electrical interconnections of semiconductor structures. The bonding process is realized by attaching the semiconducting structures at the chip or substrates electrically. This is a unique instrument of scanning optical microscopy, combining the multiple probe technique. As a result, the measurement of the optical properties and the optical spectroscopy of solid states is performed. The diffractometer for measuring thin layers has at its disposal an X-ray lamp with a rotating Cu anode, which enables it to achieve up to 3 times more power than a standard diffractometer. The arm of the diffractometer is able to move not only in a vertical direction, but also in a horizontal direction, which allows us to measure the distribution of intensity scattered from the sample in more detail. All of the instruments located in the core facilities are accessible to external and internal users. Their advantage lies in the fact that all the instruments are under a single roof. This means that the scientists have a quick access to all desired technologies. The CEITEC VUT international science groups are prepared to join your science projects or to welcome new students and scientists into their ranks. This video was made within project Popularization of Brno University of Technology R&D results and supports systematic collaboration with Czech students. Registration number CZ1.07/2.3.00/35.0004. Co-financed by the European Social Fund and the national budget of the Czech Republic.